Okay, so find the following integers without using your GDC. So to do this without the use of your calculator, regardless of what type of a calculator you are using, you just need to know this rule. When you have a log like this, let's say you have a log a of b, then your answer will simply be b. Provided these two are the same, your answer will just be this. I proved this in another video, but you are not required to know the proof in order for you to solve these. As long as you have this in your head, you can easily solve them. So 3 to the power log 3 of 5, as you can see, these two are the same, so you can just conclude that the answer is 5. You don't have to do anything here. So this is part A. And then on part B, we have 10 to the power common log 5. So if you can't see your base there, it means your base is a 10. So this is like saying 10 log 10 of 5. This one is normally ignored. So now, since the bases are the same here, let me just write it in a way that will make it much easier to see. Sometimes this is normally just written as LG. So since the bases are the same, we can conclude that the answer is 5, and you're done. And then part C, we have 3 to the power 3 log 3 of 5. Now when you look at the rule, it states that the coefficient of log must be 1 here. So you must not have a 3, you should have a 1. So what you do before you start applying this rule is you change this to 1. You change the coefficient of log 3 of 5 to 1. How do you do that? You can simply apply the power rule. So this will be the power, it will be like this. Then this one will be 3 to the power log 3, then 5 to the power 3 is 125. So now, as you can see, the bases are the same. This base and this base are the same. So that means your answer is simply 125. These are the easiest questions in logarithms, as long as you understand this. Then part D, we have e to the power natural log e of 5. So every time you see natural log, just think of it as log with a base e of x. So in other words, this is simply, you don't even have to write this, log e of 5. Actually, this is log e of e to the power 5. So since the bases are the same, your answer will simply be this part here, e to the power 5. And you're done. Please don't mistake this for this. This is the B part, and then the A part has not been written because this is like written in ln form. And then on part E, we have a raised to the power log a of 5. So now to solve this, as you can see, the bases are the same. Sorry, this is a power. Let me just write it nicely. This a is a power. This log a of 5 is a power of this, or the exponent of this. So now when you look at these bases, you can see that the two are the same. So your answer for this question is simply a 5. You can even verify this using your calculator. I'm not going to do that because we are not allowed to use calculators here. And then on part F, we have a raised to the power 3 log a of 5 like this. So now to solve this, you simply change this to a coefficient 1. Remember, the rule requires that you have a log a of something. So this one will be a to the power log a of 5. Using the power rule, we know that these 3 will be here like that. And then now you have a to the power log a of 5 to the power 3 is 125. So now, since the bases are the same, your answer will simply be this, which is 125, and you're done. It's this easy.